Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. We saw how to increase multiple stitches at both the ends, the beginning and the end of the row. Today we're going to see decreasing multiple stitches at both the ends. And this is also very helpful when you shape up your necks and your shoulders, etc. in your garments, top garments. Okay, in your tops and frocks and your crop tops, etc. Wherever you want, you can use this technique. And decreasing is very simple. So let's begin the video without much delay. To decrease 6 stitches at the end, that is the beginning of the row, what we simply have to do is slip stitch into each of them. This slip stitch you can do under both the loops, under single loop, or under the back loop, as per your wish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have done, 6 we have finished. Then work your stitches. When you work single crochet, you can directly work single crochet. For half double crochet, you slip stitch into the next one and chain 2. This is going to be counted as your first half double crochet. And for double crochet, you just need to chain 3. This is one method of continuing with the stitches. In the next, you can place your stitches. The next variation is, so I have decreased by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the next, I need single crochet. I just make the single crochet. In the next, I need half double crochet, yarn over. That will also not be affected. You can straight away make the half double crochet. And for double crochet, you just take this yarn, that is, remove your hook from this yarn, put your hook from behind the next stitch. This is a little advanced technique I am showing you. This will give a neater look when you work your stitches after the slip stitch. Just now you make the standing double crochet on the stitch. I'm showing all the 3 stitches after decreasing, how to begin the row for all the 3. This is your standing double crochet. And place your double crochets in the next stitches. So this is how you do multiple decrease on the beginning of the row and starting with a new stitch in the next one. Since we are working with the single crochets, I'm going to place my single crochet here. This is my last decrease. So simply place your single crochet in the next one and each of the next stitches till you reach the stitch where you need to stop. I shall reach that place and get back to you. I have reached the point where the decreases are seen here. You need not work these stitches, just leave them alone at the end of the row. Decreasing in the end of the row is just simply leaving the number of stitches not worked or unworked. In the beginning of the row, you need to slip stitch and get to the stitch from where you need to work. So I shall make 1 or 2 more rows and show the way it has been decreased at the ends. I have worked 2 more rows and you can see the decrease here and the decrease here. This sort of decrease is very helpful when you're working the back portion of your dresses, and this will help you shape up the sleeves. So this is a space you give for the sleeve, underarm sleeve on both the ends, and then you shape up the sleeve at regular intervals and take it up or take it forward. So this decrease is going to be of great help. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another tip in the next video. Bye for now.